Hello guys, welcome back to 1 Minute IT Shot. In this video, I'll show you how to set up the Opencode CLI inside VS Code to build websites instantly. First, open your browser, search for Node.js, and download the installer for your system. Run the setup wizard and finish the installation. Next, open VS Code. Launch a new terminal and type Node-V to verify it's properly installed. Now let's install OpenCode. In your terminal, run the installation command npm install -g opencode -CLI and wait a few moments for it to complete. You can verify it by typing opencode -version. To build your first project, create a new folder and open it in VS Code. Open your terminal, type OpenCode, and press Enter. The OpenCode GUI tool will pop up. Type your prompt for the website you want to build and let it generate the files. To view your new website in real time, click on the extensions icon on the left, search for Live Server, and click Install. Once installed, simply click the Go Live button at the bottom right of your screen to launch your brand new dashboard in your browser. And that's it. If this video helped you out, please leave a like, subscribe to 1 Minute IT Shot, and I'll see you in the next one.